I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we are going to be creating some blood-stained nails. So they're going to be kind of like elegant but gory kind of thing, do you know what I'm saying? Because everybody wants to have some fabulous Halloween nails, but not everybody wants to look like super horror filmy. We will have some videos like that coming up, hopefully, if I get around to doing them. But for today, this is just going to be a nice, elegant bloodstained nail. Well, as elegant as that can get, of course. So these are some of the products that I'll be using in today's video. Ringmaster Acrylic, the red, like, shimmery one, is from the new Circus collection. You can buy it as an individual as well. I'll be using toasted rose pink cover powder and also red velvet loose glitter, all available on the website. So as you can see, I have already applied my extreme length nail tips, and I'm coming in now with Ringmaster Acrylic at the cuticle area on 2 of the nails. And I'm just applying it at the cuticle and blending it 1/3 of the way down, because this is where we're going to start our glitter, because I wanted these tips to be clear so that I can add on the ink towards the end and have like a red glass nail. So to apply my glitter, I'm just using some crystal clear acrylic first, and then I'll use a small bead that's wet of acrylic, like quite a wet bead, and that's just going to allow me to pick up a nice amount of that glitter. Once I've got my bead with the glitter on, I'm placing it on where I've previously applied the clear acrylic, and that's just going to help the nail kind of take that bead off my brush, because with glitter, sometimes if you don't apply that down and you've not got a wet base to apply it on, it'll kind of be hard to get off the brush initially. So I'm just patting and blending that glitter in, making sure that everything is laying flat, and blending it further down the nail, but ensuring that I leave a clear tip. So I'm going to do the same process on this other nail, and then I'll be back to do the other nails after that. Also guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nail Fairy, and also share this video if you get chance as well. It means so much to have your support. Also comment down below what Halloween nails you are going to be rocking this year. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and give it a share as well, guys. Thank you. Okay, for the next nails, I'm going to be applying toasted rose to the entire set, and this is going to give it like a skin tone kind of colour. If I'm honest, this set kind of came to life as I created it. I didn't know what I was going to do. Initially, I was going to do some dripping blood nails, but I don't know, I felt like not doing that this time round, so I might do that in the future. So I decided to do full nude with the toasted rose on the ring finger and the pinky, and then I'm going to come in with some ink and create that gory looking blood stain. I love toasted rose, by the way, one of my absolute ultimate favourites. Definitely, you need to try it out, like seriously. As always guys, the links for all the products will be in the description box down below, and they are available on my website glitterplanetuk.com, and you can use code NINJA5 for 5% off your entire order. The brush that I'm using as well is the Rainbow Aqua brush in a size 12. So now that I've finished my entire design, I'm going to come in and cap the glitter nails. Only the 2 red nails with the glitter need capping in this set because the Toasted Rose cover powder is a core powder, so there's nothing that we need to create strength with there because we've already done that with the powder on the first application. So Crystal Clear is so stunning to work with, as you can see, and I am doing it in, I think I used 3 beads for this nail just because they are so super long. If you had a larger brush, you could probably get away with 2 beads, but I like to use a size 12 or a 10. So I go ahead and file off of camera using my 180 grit nail files from Glitter Planet. Now I've got to be honest, I should have buffed the clear tips out just a slight bit more just to get rid of those scratch marks, but for some reason it didn't kind of dawn on me until I applied the ink. But I was like, oh well, I'll still make it work, it'll be fine. But anyway, I'm just coming in with the red art ink available on my website, and I'm just painting half of that nail just to make sure that that clear tip is covered because I really wanted a red like stained glass finish. And you can see some kind of little scratches in there, and that is just because I didn't buff it smooth. So if you are going to do a glass look using alcohol inks, definitely make sure that you've buffed that acrylic smooth. Otherwise you are going to get some kind of, I don't know, you can see here some graininess. If I'm honest, in real life you couldn't see it as much as it's showing up on camera, and I do think it's because it's got that white background behind it as well. You definitely couldn't see it as much when I took it away from like under my lights and stuff, but if you're picky like me, just buff it out a little bit more. So once I've done that and let it dry, I'm going to go to the nude nails, and here I'm just contemplating on what I'm going to do. Initially, like I said, I was going to do some dripping nails, so I was going to try and do that with the inks, but I thought, I don't know. I just really don't know. And then I decided I'd just do some kind of bloodstained nails. That's kind of Halloweeny, kind of gory, and can look elegant as well, especially with the red glitter kind of stained glass nails. So I'm just applying the ink randomly on those nails, just making sure that we've got plenty of space between. And once I'm happy with the placement of the ink, I'm going to come in with Blend It, which is a solution that just easily allows you to either move around or erase or blend in the ink. So the blender ink really brought this kind of look together. It really made it look super gory and super like, I don't know, Halloweeny. I loved the way it looked. So beautiful, yet so creepy. So once I finished with the red bloodstain ink, I was like, it's missing something. We need a little bit of extra something. So I came in with the Ringmaster red acrylic and my number 5 3D brush from Glitter Planet. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some drips. As you can see here, it just added that little bit more depth and texture, and it really brought the look to life, and it made you kind of distinguish like what it is. Like it actually looked more Halloweeny because you could see those dripping bits on there. It just looked bomb. I feel like I might do another video including this set, like a step 2, and add some extra 3D like art to it and show you guys how to sculpt those. I thought that would be fun. So if you want me to do that, then let me know down below, because I've definitely got an idea for this set where you could really turn it up a notch. So now I've finished with my whole design. I'm coming in with Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, the ultimate best top coat ever. I freaking love it so much. And I'm just going to apply that over the entire set and then cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd rock this set, let me know, and if it would match your Halloween outfit, let me know. I think it looks freaking bomb, that red velvet glitter, the hollow. It's like a hollow red, but obviously it's not multicolour hollow, if that makes any sense. I don't know if it does. It's freaking gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and I really love how this turned out. Thank you so much as always for watching, and remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye! See you later, alligator. Mwah.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.